Dear students, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn about exercise 3 in a simple equation chapter. In this exercise 3, in this they given all problems are what problems. In this exercise, I will explain 7 or 8 problems. Remaining will continue to homework. The first one, if we add 7 to twice a number, we get 49. Find the number. Once again, children, what is the given question? If we add 7 to twice a number, we get 49. Find the number. If we add 7 to twice a number, we get 49. Find the number. This is the given word problem. We add 7 to twice a number, we get 49. Find the number. See children, twice a number, they not given how much number. So that let it be take x. That number we have to take x. Let the number equal to x. Let the number be x. So twice a number. Twice mean how much children? Twice a number. Twice mean 2 times double. 2 into x equal to 2x. Twice a number means 2 into x equal to 2x. If we add how much? 7. You add 7. That means 2x plus 7. 2x plus 7. We get how much children? 49. By problem, 2x plus 7 equal to 49. Once again children, what is the given word problem? If we add 7 to twice a number, we get 49. Find the number. So let the given number be x. The given twice a number. Twice means 2 times of x. That means 2x. How much number added to 2x? 7. That means 2x plus 7. We get 49. So now we have to write by problem 2x plus 7 equal to 49. This is the simple equation. 2x plus 7 equal to 49 is the simple equation. In this simple equation, 2x plus 7 is the LHS part and 49 is the RHS part. In this solution, we have to find the variable. In this, what is the variable children? X. That will find the value of x. So this 7 sent to RHS side. Already explained to you transposing to LHS to RHS. Transposing terms LHS to RHS. Plus quantity becomes to RHS side, minus quantity. Minus quantity becomes to RHS side, plus quantity. In LHS side, division quantity becomes to RHS side into quantity. In LHS side, division quantity becomes to RHS side into quantity. So here plus 7. This plus 7 becomes to RHS side minus 7. That means 2x equal to 49 minus 7. 2x is equal to how much children? 49 minus 7. So now these two sent to RHS side. 2x means what children? 2 into x. So 2 multiplied with x. Now these two sent to RHS side. Now 2x equal to 49 minus 7 how much children? 42. 2x minus is equal to how much? 42. Now these two sent to RHS side. So x equal to 42 divided by 2. Here in 2 quantity becomes to RHS side division quantity. That means x equal to 42 divided by 2. Now 42 divided by 2. How much children? 21. 21 2s are 42. Therefore, x equal to how much? 21. This means the number be equal to x. So the required number equal to how much children? 21. Therefore, required number equal to 21. Required number equal to how much? 21. This is the solution of first problem. Clear children? Next, if we subtract 22 from 3 times a number, we get 68. Find the number. This is the second problem. If we subtract 22 from 3 times a number, 3 times a number, we get 68. Find the number. Find the number. See children, the given question is we subtracted 22 from 3 times a number. So here not given 3 times a number. So let it be take x. The required number be take x. We get 60. So let the number be x. The number be what children? X. 3 times a number. 3 times a number. That means 3 into x equal to 3x. We subtract how much children? 22 from 3 times a number. Mean 3x minus 2, 22. Subtract 22 from 3 times a number. What is the 3 times a number? 3x. That means 3x minus 22. We get how much children? 68. By problem, 3x minus 22 equal to 68. This is the simple equation. 3x minus 22 is the LHS part of this given simple equation and 68 is the RHS set. Now this 22 sent to RHS set. So 3x equal to 68 plus 22. 68 plus 22. 3x equal to 68 plus 22. How much children? 68 plus 22. 2 plus 8, 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Total how much? 90. So 68 plus 22 equal to how much? 90. Now this 3 sent to RHS side. So here into quantity becomes to RHS side, division quantity. So x equal to 90 divided by 3. 90 divided by 3. Therefore, x equal to 90 divided by 3. How many times useful children? 30 times. 33 is 90. So x equal to 30. The required number equal to equal to 30. The required number equal to how much children? 30. This is the second problem answer. Clear? Let's look at the number be x. 3 times a number means 3 into x, that means 3x. Subtract 22 from 3x, that means 3x minus 22. By problem, that means according to problem, 3x minus 22 equal to 68. Then solve the x, that is the 30, that is the required number equal to 30. Next, third problem. Find a number which when multiplied by 7 and then reduced by 3 is equal to 53. Find a number find a number which when multiplied by 7 and reduced by and then reduced by 3 is equal to 53. To find the required number. See children, find a number which when multiplied by 7 and then reduced by 3 is equal to 53. So the required number be x. Let the number be x. The number be x. So when multiplied by how much? 7. Multiplied by 7. That means 7 into x. Multiply means do multiplication. So 7 into x. And then reduced by 3. Reduced by 3. That means take 7x minus 3. 7x minus 3 is equal to 53. By problem 7x minus 3 equal to 53. 7x minus 3 is equal to 53. Once again children, a number which when multiplied by 7 and then reduced by 3 is equal to 53. Here required number B is not given. Let it be take x. Multiplied by 7 means 7 into x equal to 7x and reduced by 3, that means 7x minus 3. So according to problem, 7x minus 3 is equal to 53. This is the simple equation. 7x minus 3 is LHS and 53 is the RHS side. So now minus 3 sent to RHS side. 7x equal to 53. This minus 3 here plus 3. So 7x equal to 53 plus 3, 56. How much children? 56. Now this is 7 sent to RHS side. Therefore, x equal to 56 divided by 7. 56 divided by 7, how much children? How many times? 8 times. So 8 times. 8 7 are 56. Therefore, x equal to how much? 8. That means the required number equal to 8. The required number equal to how much children? 8. Clear? Once look that. Take 1 minute. Clear? Yes. Now going to take fourth problem. Fourth problem. Sum of two numbers is two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 3, find the number. Find the number. Listen it. Sum of two numbers equal to 95. In this problem, two numbers are there. That sum of that two numbers is equal to 95. But one condition is there here. The given one condition. If one exceeds the other by 3. If one exceeds the other by 3. So the first number be take x. Let one number be x. One number be x. Then the other number be Other means second number. Other number equal to exceeds by how much children? 3. That means x minus 3. Exceeds means to subtraction. X minus 3. Sum of two numbers equal to how much given? Sum of two numbers equal to 95. By problem, x minus 3 plus x. The sum of two numbers means take first number by x, the second number by x minus 3. X plus x minus 3 equal to 95. X plus x minus 3 is equal to 95. Once look here, x plus x, how much children? 2x. We are doing addition. 1x plus 1x, how much? 2x. So 2x minus 3 equal to 95. Equal to how much children? 95. Now this is a simple equation. So 2x minus 3 is the LHS and 95 is the RHS. So in LHS, this minus 3 sent to RHS side. So this minus quantity become to RHS side plus quantity. That means 2x equal to 95 plus 3. So 2x equal to 95 plus 3, how much children? 98. So here not visible. So 2x equal to 95 plus 3, how much? 98. These two sent to RHS side. 2x means what children? 2 into x. 2 into x. Now these two sent to RHS side. So x equal to 98 divided by 2. Why? Because in LHS side 2 multiplied with x. That's why in RHS side divided by 2. 98 divided by 2. So x equal to 98 divided by 2. How many times divisible children? 49 times. 49 2s are 98. So take 49. So what is x value? 49. So the required number be how much? Mean one number. One number equal to x. That means 49. Other number equal to x minus 3. X minus 3 means 49 minus 3, that equal to 46. So one number equal to 46. The other number equal to how much children? 46. Here the sum of two numbers is equal to how much? 95. Take one number 49, one more number is 46. So add these two numbers. 6 plus 9, 15. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 4 9. So addition of these two numbers is equal to 95. So that's why your solution, your answer is correct. Clear children? Once look there. The one number be x. Then other number equal to x minus 3. Why? Because reduced exceeds the other by 3. The sum of two numbers equal to 45. They only given. And by according to problem, x plus x minus 3. That means the sum of these two numbers is equal to 95. So 2x plus 2x minus 3 equal to 95. Then solve the x value. It is the 49. So one number equal to 49. The other number means x minus 3. 49 minus 3, how much? 46. Then you can add 49 plus 49 and 46. It is equal to 95. So your answer is correct. Understood? Next one. Sum of three consecutive integers is 24. Find the integers. So consecutive, find the sum of consecutive. Sum of three consecutive numbers are integers, consecutive integers. Integers is 24. Find the integers. See children, first sum of three consecutive integers is 24. So first, what about consecutive integers? Consecutive. And see here, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are consecutive integers. For example, 10, 11, 13. Sorry, 12. 10 after 11, 11 after 12. No skipping in middle. So 10, 11, 12. These are consecutive. 11, 15, 16. One see 11 after 12, 13, 14 is missing. So 15 after 16 is missing. These are not a consecutive. So what is the consecutive? 10, 11, 12. In Telugu, వరుస అంకెలు వరుస numbers. So 1, 2, 3. These are called consecutive. Clear, children? So sum of three consecutive integers, they not given which are that numbers. So let it be take x. So let the three consecutive integers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2. X plus 1, x plus 2. These are consecutive integers. Sum of three consecutive integers, that means x plus 1, x plus 2 equal to how much, children? 24. Equal to 24. Let the three consecutive integers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2. The sum of three consecutive integers is 24. That means x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equal to 24. Now x plus x, 2x. 2x plus x, 3x. Once again, children, x plus x, 2x. 2x plus x, 3x. Plus 1 plus 2, 3 equal to 24. Now this 3 sent to RHS side, 3x equal to 24 minus 3. This plus 3 in RHS side minus 3. So 3x equal to 24 minus 3 how much? 21. 24 minus 3 how much? 21. So this 3 sent to RHS side. So x equal to 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 3. Therefore, x equal to 21 divided by 3 how much, children? 7 3s are 21. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 14. 7 3s are 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. So how many times? Yes, 7. So x is equal to how much? 7. So 21 divided by 3 what, children? 7. X equal to 7. So three consecutive numbers we have to write. Three consecutive numbers are consecutive numbers are first one x. What is the x? 7. Second one x plus 1. X plus 1 means 7 plus 1. Third one 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. First one x. X is 7. The second one is x plus 1. What about x? 7 plus 1. The third one x plus 2. That means 7 plus 2. Now this is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8. 7 plus 2 how much? 9. 7 plus 1 8. 7 plus 2 is 9. So the consecutive numbers are what, children? 7, 8, 9. So take 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 9, how much? 24. Is it 24? The sum of three consecutive integers how much? 24. What is the consecutive integers? 7, 8, 9. So 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. So it is equal to given 24. Understood? Right. Next one, sixth problem. The next problem, find the length and breadth of the length and breadth of the rectangle given below. Rectangle given below, if its perimeter is 72, find the length and the breadth. Yes, listen. This is the sixth question, children. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle given below. If its perimeter is 72, so find length and breadth. This is the given rectangle. What about length? 5x plus 4. What about breadth? X minus 4. So take 5x plus 4 and x minus 4. This is the solution, children. Length, how much given? 5x plus 4. Breadth, how much given? X minus 4. X minus 4. So perimeter of the rectangle. Formula what, children? 2 of L plus B. 2 of L plus B. But here perimeter is given. How much given? 72 is given. By problem, 2 of L plus B equal to 72. 2 of L plus B equal to how much, children? 72. So 2 of, what about length? 5x plus 4. Take 5x plus 4, substitute in L place. So that's why 5x plus 4 plus, what about breadth? X minus 4. So x minus 4 equal to how much, children? 72. Clear? 2 of 5x plus 4 plus x minus 4. Clear? 2 of 5x plus 4 plus x minus 4 equal to 72. Here 2 of 5x plus x. How much, children? 5x plus x. 6x plus 4 minus 4. This is positive, this is the negative. So plus 4 minus 4 we cancel. So 6x, only 6x equal to 72. 72. So 2 of 6x equal to 72. Right. 2 of 6x is equal to 72. 2 6 are how much? 2 of 6x means no, have to do multiplication. 2 6 are 12x equal to 72. 2 of 12x is equal to 72. This 12 sent to RHS side. So x equal to 72 divided by 12. 72 divided by 12. So take 12 table. 12 1 jar 12, 12 2 jar 24, 12 3 jar 36, 12 4 jar 48, 12 5 jar how much? 16, 12 6 jar 70. So total how many times divisible? How many times? 6 times. So x equal to 6. What about x value, children? 6. Now you find length and breadth. So what is the given length? How much? 5x plus 4. 5x plus 4. So equal to, what is the x value? 6. Here length equal to 5x plus 4. So here what is the x value? 6. Take 6 and substitute here plus 4. So 5 into x value is 6 plus 4. 5 6 are 30 plus 4. 34. How much? 34. And breadth. How much? X minus 4 equal to, what about x value? 6. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. 6 minus 4 equal to how much? 2. So breadth equal to 2 and length is equal to 34. Once listen again. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle given below. Its perimeter is 70. This is the diagram. Length equal to 5x plus 4, breadth equal to x minus 4. Length 5x plus 4, breadth x minus 4, perimeter equal to 2 of L plus B. According to problem, 2 of L plus B is equal to perimeter. That means 2 of 5x plus 4 plus x minus 4 equal to 72. So simplification, 5x plus 5, so 6x plus 4 minus 4 both are cancelled. So 2 of 6x equal to 72. 2 of 6x means you have to do multiplication to 6 are 12x equal to 72. That 12 side to RHS side, it will be divided by 12. So x equal to 6, we get x value equal to 6. Take L, what is that? 5x plus 4. X value substitute in 5x plus 4, we get 34. So finally, length equal to 34. And breadth x minus 4, take 6, substitute in x value, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, we get 2. So finally we get length equal to 34 and breadth equal to 2. Clear, children? Right. Next problem, that is 7th one. Seventh problem. After 15 years, Hamas age will become 4 times that of her present age. Find her present age. Find her present age. Now listen. After 15 years, Hannah's age will become 4 times that her present age. So a present age, let it be take x. Present age is let it be take x. Present age, let present age equal to x. After 15 years, Hannah's age will become 4 times of her present age. So after 15 years, Hannah's age equal to 4 times. How many times children? 4 times. That means 4 into x equal to 4x. So by problem, what about present age? Yes. After 15 years, after mean you can add 15 of present age. It will be how much children? 4x. The present age x, after 15 years Hannah's age 4x. So by problem, after 15 years, Hannah's age will become 4 times that her present age. That means x plus 15 equal to 4x. Now it is a simple equation. X plus 15 equal to 4x is a simple equation. This x sent to RHS side. Now it is a 15 equal to 4x minus x. 4x minus x. 15 equal to 4x minus x how much? 3x. 4x minus x how much? 3x. This 3 sent to LHS side. Why? Because 15 is LHS part and 3x is the RHS part. So x equal to 15 divided by 3. This 3 become the LHS side division. So x equal to 15 divided by 3. Therefore, x equal to 15 divided by 3. What is the answer? 5. What is the answer? 5. So x value is 5. So present age equal to x. X is equal to 5. So now we have to say that present age equal to how much? 5 years. Present age of Hama equal to 5 years. Here children, present age of Hama equal to 5 years. Once again, after 15 years, Hama's age will become 4 times that of her present age. Find her present age. So let it be take present age is equal to x. After 15 years, Hama's age equal to 4 times of x. That means 4x. By problem, x plus 15 years, present age plus 15 years, it will be equal to 4 times of Hama's present age. That means 4x. Can solve, we get x value equal to 5. Now we have to say that present age of Hama equal to 5 years. Clear? Next last problem in this exercise, remaining will take homework. So last problem that is very important and little bit hard, isn't it? A sum of 3000 rupees is to be given in the form of 63 prizes. If the prize money is either 100 rupees or 25 rupees, find the number of prizes of each type. So here, amount given 3000 rupees, total prizes also given 63 prizes, but in this, two types of prizes are there. The first prize is 100 rupees, value of 100 rupees, and second one is value of 25 rupees prizes. So we have to find prices of each type. How many 20 rupees prizes, how many, and 100 rupees prizes, how many. So let the number of 100 rupees prizes equal to x. The number of 25 rupees prizes equal to total prizes how many? 63. So 63 minus x. The number of 100 rupees prizes equal to x. The number of 25 rupees prizes equal to 63 minus x. Why? Because the total prizes mean 100 rupees prizes and 25 rupees prizes equal to 63. That's why you take the number of 25 prizes equal to 63 minus x. Value of the prizes. Value of the prizes equal to 100x minus 63 minus x into 25. 100x minus 63 minus x into 25. So 100x minus 63 into 25 and x into 25. Why? Because this is the distributive property under subtraction. Already I explained to you, and we learn also. 63 minus x is equal to 25. That means 63 into 25 minus x into 25. So 63 25 here. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 5 6s are 30 plus 1, 31, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. So 5 7 5 1, 1 5 7 5, 1 5 7 5. So this answer 1 5 7 5 minus 25 into x, 25 x. 25 into x how much? 25 x. Now open this bracket. 100x minus 1575, that means 1575. This minus into minus plus 25x. 100x plus 25x total how much? 125x minus 1575. Clear, children? So here plus, here plus. So here minus. Equal to, listen, 100x plus 63 minus x into 25. 100x plus 63 25, 1575 minus 25 into x, 25x. Now it is a 100x plus 1575 minus 25x. 100x minus 25x total how much, children? 75x plus 1725. It is clear? Sorry here. So 75x plus 1575. Okay now. Next, by problem 75x plus 1575 equal to 3000. Total how much, children? 3000. So this 1575 sent to RHS side. 75x equal to 3000 minus 1575. 75 equal to 3000 minus 1700. 1575 here. So 75x equal to 3000 minus 1575 here. 1575, do subtraction. We get 1425. 1425. The 75 sent to RHS side. So x is equal to 1425 divided by 75. We get 90. How much is that? 90. So 1425 divided by 75, we get how much? 19. So what about 19? The number of 100 prize is equal to x mean 19. The number of 25 rupees prize is equal to 63 minus x. Therefore, number of 100 rupees prizes equal to 19. Number of 25 rupees prizes equal to 63 minus x. That means 63 minus 19, we get 44. 44. Number of 100 rupees prizes is equal to 19. Number of 25 rupees prizes is equal to 44. Once again, children, the number of 100 rupees prizes is equal to x. The number of 25 rupees prizes is equal to 63 minus x. Value of the prizes equal to 100x plus 63 minus x of 25. 100x plus here 63 minus x of 25 means we have to do one property. That property name is distributive property under subtraction. 63 into 25, 1575 minus 25 into x, 25x. Now 100x minus 25x, it is 75x plus 1575. By problem, this 75x plus 1575 equal to 3000. Now 75x, 1575 sent to RHS side. So 75x equal to 1425. Finally we get x value equal to 90. So what about 90? Number of 100 rupees prizes, it equal to 90. Number of 25 prizes, 25 rupees prizes equal to 63 minus x. That means 63 minus, what about x value here, 19? So take 19 and substitute in the x place. So 63 minus 19, we get 44. So it is a answer for 8th question. Clear, children? Remaining problem in exercise 3, remaining, that means 4 or 5 problems are left. So we'll take homework, we'll do at home the problems. Clear, children? If you have any doubt, in next June class, I will explain to you. On that class, you will ask me, I will explain one by one. Clear? Thank you.